I figured it'd be easier to take a video. So this is a bathroom. So here is, oh actually that's one, that's on both sides. And then, actually there's probably more. There's this one here. And then, that's kind of hard. And it's got a full knob on the other side, so that's 2 full on both sides. Here's a closet. And that's 3. And that's all that is down here. And then for upstairs, there is this one, so that's 4. 4 that are full. And then there's this one, so 4 that are full, and 1 that's a closet. And then there is this one, 4, so that's 4 that are full and 2 that are closet. Another closet, so 4 that are full and 3 that are closet. Here, 5 that are full. I guess 5 that are closet, so I maybe miscounted. And then here's this one, which is a little bit different. This is the bathroom. And you got the crystal on the other side. And then you got this one and that. And then the last one is here, so you got this on the side, that in the back, and there is, so that's it. These don't have it, because this was an add-on, so hopefully that helps.